The idea that we attract what we put out has clearly been around since ancient times. Lao Tzu, an ancient Chinese philosopher, once said, "Watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny." The concept of the law of attraction can be comprehended as similar things are attracted to each other. This implies that consciously or subconsciously, we are accountable for attracting both favorable and unfavorable influences into our lives. A fundamental aspect of the law of attraction is recognizing that what you concentrate on will materialize, and it can greatly impact your experiences. If you waste your time brooding over past regrets or future anxieties, you'll possibly notice more pessimism surfacing, and restrictive beliefs overpowering you. However, if you seek out the positives in every situation, you'll promptly perceive optimism encompassing you each day. Therefore, the law of attraction urges you to acknowledge that you possess the autonomy to manage how your future progresses and to shape it according to your preferences. Even in controlled laboratory settings, advanced scientific research has verified that each idea is composed of power and has its distinct frequency. And once this power and frequency of an individual idea spreads out into the cosmos, it automatically interacts with the physical realm. Unquestionably, it has been commonly acknowledged that physical matter or objects are just energy packets at the subatomic, quantum level. Therefore, as your notion extends outward, it appeals to the energy and frequencies of comparable notions, items, and even individuals, and pulls those entities back to you. Consequently, your thoughts transform into objects. The law of attraction operates under the following three principles. First, like attracts like. Irrespective of our awareness, we are consistently drawing either favorable or unfavorable circumstances towards ourselves, depending on the vibes we emanate. As stated by spiritual writer Shannon Kaiser, we resemble magnets, reflecting and alluring whatever we harbor in our minds. Second, nature abhors a vacuum. The concept proposes that a void in space is impossible and must always be occupied by something. Consequently, it's crucial to create room for positive transformation in your life by removing negativity. Your psyche must be cleared of clutter, so there is space to invite new things that are more beneficial to you. Third, the present is always perfect. The third and ultimate facet of the law of attraction involves mastering the present moment. It indicates that if you search for flaws, you will always find things to be dissatisfied about, but instead of ruminating on things that are awry, it's crucial to identify ways to enhance the situation. This is essential to transform your reality into one that draws in your aspirations. It doesn't imply that you shouldn't acknowledge negativity or experience related emotions, as that would delve into the territory of spiritual bypassing or toxic positivity. Instead, it entails taking whatever action possible at the moment to ameliorate any negative circumstances and relinquishing the rest. Learn how to start using the law of attraction in your life. Enhancing your consciousness of your thoughts enables you to distinguish what should be preserved or discarded from your mind and your experiential reality. You become more perceptive of concealed negativities and can initiate combating them with fresh convictions and emotions that more precisely reflect your positive perception of the future. This continuous emphasis on self-reflection also empowers you to recognize your genuine aspirations and subsequently develop clearer goals with actionable measures at each stage. Every day, you emit requests to the universe as well as to your subconscious mind in the form of thoughts. Everything you contemplate, peruse, discuss, and focus on is indicating the universe what you desire to attract more of into your life. That's why it's imperative for you to become more deliberate about the thoughts you present to the universe. The more precise and concentrated you are regarding your authentic desires, the simpler it will be for you to allure those things into your life. The more you concentrate on your desires rather than your non-desires, the swifter you will materialize your aspirations and objectives. It's not sufficient to merely concentrate on your wants, you must have faith in their feasibility. If you contemplate your desires but harbor doubts in your heart about ever achieving them, you will ultimately transmit conflicting messages to the universe, which will reciprocate with mixed outcomes. The challenge lies in the fact that most individuals possess constraining convictions that prevent them from embracing abundance and happiness in their lives. If you find yourself in this situation, I encourage you to embark on mindset work that will assist you in relinquishing your limiting beliefs and substituting them with the realization that you are deserving, worthy, and capable of achieving any goal you can envision. Imagery is a fundamental element of utilizing the law of attraction, which may involve employing a manifesting meditation or composing in a thankfulness diary. Devoting 10 to 15 minutes daily to construct a more intricate depiction of the life you wish to create in your thoughts. Visualization transcends these cerebral representations and can be implemented in practical ways on a regular basis. This law of attraction society can assist you in acquiring and executing writing practices that aid in concentrating on externalizing objectives and making them more tangible. Affirmations can be expressed verbally or visually and can be customized to align with your vision for the future. A common practice is to speak affirming words to oneself in the mirror or to utter positive phrases like, "Today is going to be a great day," upon waking up. Consistent use of affirmations can help reshape limiting beliefs, promoting optimism and intense focus on your desired outcomes. Visual affirmations, like notes on your bathroom cabinet or a vision board that represents your goals in pictorial form, serve as reminders to stay connected to positive thoughts throughout the day and maintain your confidence. Finally, don't forget to take consistent action toward your goals. Intentions are very powerful, but you must take action to get results. Remember that you have the power to shape your own future, so use the law of attraction to your advantage and create the life you want. If you enjoy videos about well-being and inner peace, be sure to check out this video as well. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and be notified about future videos.